So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hello, my name is Saba. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in 2019 from NRI Institute of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication. After that, I was searching for a job. Then I came across Evision TechnoServe and I have joined as 45 days internship program on 15 September. In this internship program, I have gained knowledge about CCNA, network basics, virtualization and all the topics, and after that I have given number of mock interviews which were really useful for me in real time interview. Then I got placed in Alchemy Tech Solution with a package of 2.5 lakhs. Therefore I would like to thank Evision team and its members for supporting me, and it is a great opportunity to get into the IT field. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for?